Hey, everyone! Today, we're going to explore how to build a table in Engini, which serves as the central hub for consolidating all your important information and streamlining your work processes. Whether you're customizing the table structure to meet your team's unique needs or sticking with the basics, you'll find that creating and managing tables in Engini is straightforward and efficient. First, navigate from the Engini homepage to the Tables section. If you don't have a workbook yet, click on Add Workbook. If you want to add a table to an existing workbook, select the workbook you wish to add the table to. Now, let's create your table. You can add one or more tables to the same workbook by clicking on the plus icon and renaming the default name to something more meaningful. It's a good practice to give your table a significant name that reflects its purpose. Next, you'll want to create columns. To add a column, simply click on the plus sign located on the far right of the table's column section. From the drop-down menu, choose the column type that best fits your needs, name the column, and start filling in the rows with your data. If you need to perform actions on a specific column, open the column menu by clicking on the three dots on the right side of the column. Here, you can delete the column, rename it, filter or sort the data, duplicate the column, adjust the column width, or even change its location by dragging it to a new position. For those looking to take table customization up a notch, the sort and filter features allow you to tailor the display of your table to show specific information. You can sort fields in ascending or descending order or create quick filters by selecting the field, setting conditions, and applying them to view the most relevant data. You can further enhance your data presentation by creating different views or hiding columns. If you want to filter or hide certain columns within the original table, simply click on Hide at the top of the table, choose the columns you wish to filter, and save your view. Alternatively, you can create a new view by clicking on Views and following similar steps to customize your data display. Now, let's talk about the types of columns you can add. The status column is essential for planning, organizing, and tracking your team's work, allowing you to easily see the status of tasks. You can edit status labels to fit your workflow by clicking on the status cell. Modifying the labels, you can add custom status fields to the status column and select a color for each status to help visually distinguish different stages or types of work. The labels column helps categorize and organize items, while the text column allows you to add any type of text, such as names, short comments, phone numbers, and addresses. The date column is useful for setting dates for tasks, with the option to display dates with or without time. The people column lets you assign tasks to team members, giving a visual representation of task ownership. The number column is ideal for anything related to numbers, such as counters, budgets, or quantities. The checkbox column represents a binary choice, which can be checked or unchecked based on your conditions. For more advanced linking, the Connect Table column allows you to link one or more tables together, working alongside the Mirror column to reflect data from one table to another. This feature is particularly useful for managing interconnected data across multiple tables. The Created Log and Updated Log columns automatically add the creator of the record and track the date and time of updates, respectively. Lastly, the Link column lets you add hyperlinks to any website, with the flexibility to customize the display text. And that's it. With these steps, you can efficiently build and customize your tables in Engini to suit your workflow needs. I hope you found this guide helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out. Thanks for watching.